It's not just the increase in cases, but a jump in hospitalizations is also causing concern tonight. Right now, the number of patients hospitalized with COVID-19 in the St. Louis area is at the highest level since April. The St. Louis Pandemic Task Force reports there are currently 551 coronavirus patients at local hospitals. The numbers have been steadily climbing for the last month. The task force says 80% of local ICU beds are in use. Health officials in Jefferson County say many of their recent cases can be linked back to Halloween gatherings and other social events. News 4's Emma Hogue spent the day digging into the new numbers and has a warning from the health department ahead of the upcoming holidays.
Right now, the health department is reporting over 1,600 people in Jefferson County have COVID-19, and we're learning several of these new cases are stemming from house parties and other small family gatherings. Health officials calling these numbers an alarming trend before the holidays.
Family gatherings, sometimes parties with friends.
With the holidays around the corner, families are grappling with whether to keep tradition or celebrate on a smaller scale.
I've heard that a lot of things are going to be different this year.
But Dennis Leach and his fiancee Brittany say their decision was easy. They're making a 2.5-hour drive to celebrate with 15 family members, including Brittany's grandfather, who's battling stage 4 lung cancer.
I'm worried about it, but we're also worried about Grandpa too. And it's all family, and everybody will have masks on. We're going to do everything we can to make sure nobody gets sick.
Tonight, the Jefferson County Health Department is discouraging big holiday gatherings after the county reported a record 200 new COVID cases on Friday. Health officials say several of those cases were traced back to 3 Halloween parties last weekend. Contact tracers tied one gathering to 10 positive cases within different families.
I'm not going to let fear dictate or the health department dictate what I can and can't do.
Kim Brown says the rising cases won't stop her family of 4 from celebrating with about 30 other family members this Christmas.
It's America, and this is our country and our only life. We might as well, continue with the traditions.
According to the health department's COVID-19 dashboard, there are over 1,600 active cases and another 1,400 people in quarantine. Health officials say the increase is leading to a backlog in cases that still need tracing. For months, county leaders have opposed a mask mandate.
We kind of want to just make sure, hey, your parents or your uncles and aunts are safe and healthy as well as best we can.
Paul Toretta says his family is postponing their 80-person Christmas celebration. He's hopeful they can rain check their party for when it's warmer and safer.
Maybe we're going to try to do it in the spring, and that's where the plan is, maybe do it another time.
The health department says their case investigators can only track about 40 cases a day. So to help with that backlog, the county is contracting with a third party. They tell us those new investigators will allow them to track up to 125 cases per day. They start on November 18th. Reporting in Jefferson County tonight, Emma Hogue, News 4.